Alexa, pause please. Hello, how are you? Yes, you. How are you doing? Hope your day is going good. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. The fact that you actually clicked on my video means so much to me and I appreciate it. So thank you again. All I'm doing are 6 flat twists, straight backs, but I feel like trying to get the lines. I haven't done this in a while because I feel like trying to get straight lines is going to be the bane of my existence for this video, but I decided to do it this time around, so let's see how it goes. And I'm basically saying that because I like perfect lines, right? And I feel like I'm going to be ruining lines forever just because I want them to be straight, but I'm at the place where I am choosing peace over straight lines. So if my lines are crooked, I'm just going to take a deep breath and move right along. I'm going to start with a center part just to have 2 equal parts on the side. It's always good to start in sections so you can manage your hair in small bits. If this is the first time of you seeing me part my hair, I always just part as the spirit leads for the center, and then I use a mirror to sort of see how far or how good the line is, and then I clean it up. I think the back is a bit crooked. Yeah, a little bit, but so far so good, eh? I would always want to save my edges, the one in front and the one at the back. So I'm going to do 2 single twists at the back just to save the hair from tension. Because I get a lot of people saying, oh, they're losing hair at the nape of their neck. Sometimes it might be the protective hairstyle that you're doing that's actually making you lose hair at the nape of your neck. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is just spray a bit of water just to make it damp. Moisturizer. I've already put leave-in conditioner yesterday, so all I need is just the moisturizer. And then I'll go in with a white tooth comb, starting from the ends. My hair is happy. It's well moisturized. Can you see that? I love when my hair feels so clean and soft and hydrated and moisturized. And that's it. Just 1 twist. Okay, I've done the other side. Let me show you what it looks like. And whenever I move my head, bend my head, turn my head, it's not gonna affect my hair here. So we're saving our edges at the back. Or what did you call it? Or some people call it what? Kitchen? I just call it edges at the nape of my neck. What do you call it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm just going to part blindly and then follow up with a mirror and do it properly. I usually just feel with my fingers to have an idea of how to go or where to go when I'm parting. Remember, the key to getting good parting is just repetition. You keep trying and trying and trying. So I'm going to put my finger where I want it to end at the back. So I'm putting my thumb here where I want it to end. And then I'll put my index finger where I want it to start from. And then I just use the tail comb to draw the line with my fingers as a guide. We're almost there, almost there. So this will clean up the middle part. So my hand is going to be there, from there to here. Follow as the spirit leads. This point is where the arm workout is. Okay, I think, yeah, so all we need to do is just clean up that back piece. So yeah, I'll put my finger right at the end. That's much better, and right there. Okay, I think I can live with this. I think I can live with this. There's one bit that's a bit, this bit, it's just a bit, I need to round it up a little bit. Just round that up a little bit. It helps that I can see it. There you go. Now we're ready. As usual, we start with water. More attention to my ends because they're the oldest part of my hair and they need more love. Finger detangle a little bit more. If you don't know this already, flat twists are one of my favorite hairstyles because they're just less tension on my scalp. to getting good flat twists, it's easier to have your hair well detangled so that your flat twists become easy to do. And then when I get to the end of my flat twist, I like to brush the ends out. Just because I feel like from flat twisting, it tangles it some more, so yeah. I love it already. One down. I just want to also add, while you're learning how to rule your lines, you also have to have patience. I can't say this enough. It's going to get a bit frustrating, but practice makes progress, always. And then I always just keep checking on both sides to see that I have equal parts. As you go along, don't forget to also rehydrate and re-moisturize your hair so it's still easy to manipulate. Also, just when you start flat twisting, make sure you don't pull all of your edges. If you notice, I'm leaving a little bit of hair in front just because I don't want to lose my edges for no protective style. It's no longer a protective style if your edges are compromised, okay? Compromise, I like that word. So, a protective style has to protect all of your hair. The roots, the ends, the edges. If it's not doing all of that, then it's no longer a protective style. Capiche? Oh my gosh, this is an arm workout. But so worth it. 2 down. I will go ahead and do the 2 on this side as well so that I can just clean up my part in the middle when I'm doing this 2 in the middle. Let me go do that. Alrighty then, so I've done the other side. So what I want to do is just clean up the line in the middle a little bit and just sort of make sure that they're equal-ish, if you catch my drift. Let me also just talk about the idea of flat twists. For my girlies who don't know how to flat twist and are trying to learn, it's basically taking 2 pieces of hair, twisting them on themselves, then take a tiny piece of hair, add that to it, twist it, take another piece of hair, add it to it, twist it, take another piece, add, twist it, and repeat till you're done. That's literally what flat twisting is. It sounds complicated, but it's actually not. It's quite easy to do. I can remember the first time I did my flat twist. It seemed like this feat that I was never gonna get the hang of, but my second and third try, I got the hang of it. Oh my god, I'm almost done. 1 more left. My arms are crying. But we gotta keep going. Gotta keep twisting, gotta keep twisting. Last one, last one. I can't even explain the feeling of doing the last piece of hair that you have, because it's almost like, oh, we're at the finish line, we're almost done, almost done, almost done. I was so happy. This took me longer than it should because I was trying to get straight lines, but it's quite a quick and easy protective style. So fear not, it's actually quite doable. You can do this. Yes, you can actually do this hairstyle on your hair. Oh my gosh, that's the last one. Now that it's done, and my arm workout is done as well, I also want to tuck my ends in, so it's a full protective style. I don't want my ends out. So for this part, I'm basically doing inverted braids, like French braids at the back, just because I wanted all of my hair to be protected, especially my ends. I wanted to just tuck them in and not let them be, open to the weather and elements. So I'm just braiding these and then I'm tucking the ends inside, and that's how I'm wearing the hairstyle for the whole duration I have it on my head. Okay, now that that's done, I'm so happy with the end results. I'm going to put a tiny bit of edge control. Like they say, let's slay them edges. Not too much though. That's the best we can do, folks. 6 flat twists, straight back, and that's it. But I like what it's saying. Like, it's cute. I'm going out later, that's why I have a full face of makeup. But I love this so much. It can be simple, it can be glam, it can be for work, it can be for hanging out with the girls, it can be chilling in the house. Whatever you want it to be, it can be. And it's a protective style because everything is protected. Your edges, your hair, your ends are tucked in. It's the perfect protective style you need for 2 weeks. So there we go, all done. As usual, thank you so much for watching my video to the very end. Every time I come to this part of my video and I know that you're watching, it gives me butterflies. You can tell I'm excited and I love my hair. So here was I. Yes, I was saying thank you, and please like this video if you liked it. Like, actually physically press that like button, and while you're there pressing the like button, press the bell as well so you get a notification for every time I post a new video like this. And yeah, share this video with everyone you know, even people you don't know. They might need it, you know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, because I have so much to share with you, and it just increases my engagement, and it just makes me know everything I do on this page is worth it. So help a sister out, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye.